Okay. Vinutna, do you mind turning on the camera? Okay, anyways. Zoya, can you share what exactly did you plan for today and what was achieved? And also the things which we discussed in the last meeting. Could you find anything similar to that?
Yeah, so you told me to find the pages that does a mixed content, right? Like stand-ups and everything. So I searched for it, but I don't think there's a page that has everything in it, like mixed content. So if we'll go forward with that idea to post mixed content, I think it will be great. But I found something on YouTube that I'll show you. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
I found these two platforms on YouTube.
So yeah, sorry, your
One is
screen is not visible right now. Like the tab is very small now when you rotated it.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, it's
Can you
better now.
see?
Yeah, yeah.
So I found two platforms. One is updating. So it's like what we say stand-up comedy platform, and it's the type is live dating comedy series, and
Also, even
like
these people have a
the
mixed content.
no, they don't have a mixed content, but it's a part of it. Like I researched it, but not many people have like a mixed content page. So
Oh,
I was saying if we'll try that, it will be great and it will be something new.
okay. So the one which you have mentioned, what does it have?
It is like the one I sent you yesterday.
Oh, I did not open it. Can you just elaborate what exactly is it? The blind date thing, right? That's
Yeah. The blind date thing, and also like they organize stand-up comedy events,
okay.
and they just like they call single people on stage, and then they set up on dates, and then they decide if they want to continue their date. So it's like that. Like it's a live show, live stream,
Oh,
and it's like a comedy series.
got it, got
And
it.
the second one is Why Don't You Date Me? So it's like a podcast by Nicole Baya.
Okay.
And these both are, I guess, outside India based, not in India. Yeah, so it's also like a comedy and relationship podcast. So in that they discuss about dating struggles, personal stories, and relationship advices. I'll show you one of the videos. So this is the updating channel I was talking about. So
Got it,
this
got
is
it.
a video.
Understood. But to be honest, if I remember correctly, Shiny, the girl you were speaking about, right? Her name is
Yeah,
Shiny, right? So
yeah.
she has these content, right? Like basically, she has stuff which is related to followers, and also some of them are like I mean, like I had seen some of it being like, question and answers with her friends, right? Like those sort of
Yeah,
things also she is posting, not just related to followers and dressing them up for other people, right? So it's like
yeah,
mixed
yeah.
content only, some part. But her main
Uh,
concept is that we'll
her
find
main
somebody.
concept is like, yeah, her main concept is like to help people who are struggling with dating and relationships
Okay,
and stuff.
playing Cupid, right?
So you
Okay.
will see that, yeah. you'll see that the videos she posts about that, where she is engaging with her followers and helping them out, that has more reach compared to the other videos of her.
Got it. Also, did you get a chance to see which exact video got the best reach?
No, no, I haven't checked that yet.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it. Okay. So, other than this, Zoya, did you have anything else to share?
yeah. Actually, yesterday Vinutna was talking about the brain rot videos, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So, and you were saying that we can cover love stories in our videos.
yeah.
So instead of voiceover, I found a website where we can paste the love story, written love story. Like we can paste the text there, and it will create an AI voiceover video in different.
Video.
We can even, yeah,
Oh, that's
video.
great. Oh, can you try something out with it? Like,
I'll share it with you.
yeah. Sure, like, can you just take like a random story from
Yeah,
Instagram?
yeah. I have already
Oh, you've done
copied a
it?
random love story from Reddit.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll just paste it and show you.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah. So this is the website, Read.
Okay.
So this is the here I'm pasting the story. This is the random love story I picked up from Reddit,
Okay.
and then we'll just generate it.
It also gives voiceover.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Oh, also one thing, Zoya, you have to share your audio while sharing the screen, otherwise I can't hear it.
Okay.
Actually, I wanted to say that there's one more app in which you can just create from photos and videos. There is Pixlr, there is Leonardo AI. Yeah.
Can you say that again? I couldn't hear you properly.
There are also more websites from which you can make from photos to video, and you can just give a prompt and make a photo and make a video. There is Pixlr and also Leonardo AI. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I understand that. That's great. But the one which Zoya is talking about gives voiceover, so I was like intrigued by it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's the reason. Zoya, could you show it, please? Oh, I can't hear it. It's in the Zoom setting, by the way. Zoe, you're on mute, and also the content, I can't hear it.
I'm so sorry I didn't recognize I was on mute.
No, no, no issues. Just try to share the screen, and in that only it shows you share audio.
Just wait for a.
When you share the screen, you have options of sharing audio.
Okay.
Yeah. Share sound sort of things. Share sound. Or else, Zoya, just do one thing. Can you send me the? Okay, okay. Let's try.
So I'm pasting the love story here.
Okay. And is it paid like after some
Yeah, yeah, it's paid
else?
after some uses.
Oh. So have you like seen how many uses or something, or is it
No, I haven't figured that out. I don't know
the
why
usage
it's.
limit reached, I guess.
Yeah,
That's
bad
fine.
luck.
That's fine. Just send me the link, or can you just show me like a video which is already there? Might be something in your history, right?
I don't know. So,
Dashboard.
Actually, you can also log in from other Gmails, right? Is it
Yeah, yeah.
available?
okay, the free one is kind of this. I'll just try from another email. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, one second. Can what's this? Zoya, have you seen AI avatar? Like, what exactly is that? Oh, so you can
Yeah,
choose
it
your
can
face and it
clone
will.
your voice and face. Yeah.
Oh, that's this is the place. Okay, got it, got it.
Like clips or I don't know why I'm just pushed over to this page.
No, no, no. It's fine, Zoya. I understood what you're talking about, and this is great. Like, can you just put it down together if you find anything like this? There's another video which I'll share in the group. So that's like basically, it's two babies talking, and they have like they're lip sync to the audio, but it's like a
Yeah.
podcast of babies talking. So
Okay, okay, I got it, I got it.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
See,
So
here I'll paste the love story
okay.
which I got on Reddit. I'll generate it.
Can I leave by now? Because I have something.
It's not working. But you got it right, what
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah,
trying
yeah.
to do.
Yeah, yeah. What I was talking about is that babies thing, which I was saying in the last meeting as well. So it's
Yeah,
like a babies talking podcast, but the babies are lip sync. So not just babies, there might be animals too. Like I've seen cats talking and all, right? So like if you can find similar tools like these, which can use instead of your face, they can use like any animal's fits or anything like that. I think this will be a very good start because we can have that brain rot thing as well, like having characters
yeah.
introduced so people can watch it, like two cats animating and talking to each other over like a love story will look great. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
So it has features, it has many features. Like we can post our voice also, and if we can add any background video we want. And the text also, like you see the subtitles we get when it's
Yeah,
a voiceover. So it's automatic in that. We don't even have to add the subtitles.
yeah. Got it. Lovely. Okay. Zoya,
Yeah,
just put it down into a sheet, whichever you're maintaining, and also
yeah.
please put down the main sheet in the group with the link, please. Uh,
Okay.
it should have all of these things like in just links. Like for example, if you put this in a document and that document link in this Excel sheet, so we can see the Excel sheet and click on the link and go to the document. So just put it down in
Okay.
one master sheet, right?
Should I leave by now because I said you know.
Sorry, Vinutha, I can't hear you.
Can I leave by now?
Oh, do you want to leave right now?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Okay, fine. So let's see if Shubham joins. Can you join it at 7? If are you free at 7?
7. Seven. I'm not sure if I get time by that time.
Okay.
I can join by 7:05.
Yeah, I mean, okay, 7, 7, 10. Is that fine?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me just see if Shubham is also available, so both of you can join in at that time. Okay, okay. Thank you,
Else,
Zoya. Thank you,
do you
Vinutha.
want me to find out?
Sorry.
What else do you want me to find out? Like, I did a research on that Instagram pages, which has like a mixed content, but I'm not getting many like Instagram pages. Like, it only has like one content. Like, if it's a public interview page, it only has a lot of public interviews and not many other content.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine for now. Just focus on like how the algorithm works and all. Like for example, take Shiny's page. What exactly got her the views? No, that sort of thing. Like people
Yeah,
might not be so famous, right? So there must be like a spike in their followers at
yeah,
some point. So what exact content did they put? So that eye-catching content, but like have it like for the people who have gained audience in like last 4 months or 5 months latest. So we understand that the patterns and all the algorithm is still the same. So just keep it to 5 months and we can see if we can make similar content according to that. Just follow your weekly to dos, like try to put it in this way, but have this algorithm thing in place first.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
So,
okay. Okay, thank you, Zoya.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.